Hi there, my name is Sergey Shelkov, and today I'll tell you about the geofencing in Epom DSP. Geofencing is a mechanism that allows you to target hyper-locally based on latitude and longitude being passed by the SSP. Please note, this only works for mobile devices, as the passing of latitude and longitude for desktop is not required. In order to create your filter to target those users based on their geofencing that you create, you would have to go to the campaign and either create a new one or edit the existing one. You would go to targeting options, and over here you will have the chance to select a geofence filter. By default, we have two of them set up, and please note you can allow or block any of them, meaning that if you allow, you will only target users inside a certain radius. If you block, you will target everybody but the users inside a certain radius, which could be good for managing competition. In order to create such filter, you would have to go to Geofence and add a new geofence set. After that, you are able to choose any point on the map, either by zooming in, zooming out, or just by typing a certain location on the map. Once you pick a point, you are able to edit it or specify the radius starting from 100 meters inside of which the users would be located in order for them to see an ad, if you have include set on your campaign level. Please note that you can create as many points as you like, which is super cool for local businesses, for retails, for chain stores that want to work with a very specific audience of their own. That's pretty much it, and if you need any more information, please feel free to drop me a line and I'm going to be happy to help. Take care.